Babyfeel UV Sanitizer Box. Germs' worst nightmare, your family's best friend. Bye-bye germs, hello peace of mind. Your home is a battleground against invisible enemies, germs, bacteria, and viruses lurking on baby bottles, phones, keys, and more. But guess what? The Babyfeel UV Sanitizer Box is here to wipe them out in minutes. Unlike sprays or wipes that miss spots, this UVC beast zaps germs with 360 degrees coverage, leaving no place for nasties to hide. And forget the hassle of scrubbing, this baby is waterless and maintenance-free. Just one tap of a button, and you're on your way to a safer, cleaner home. Bigger, better, and built for more. Unlike those puny, cramped sanitizers that barely fit a smartphone, the Babyfeel UV Box is a heavyweight champ in the cleaning game. It fits up to 8 9-ounce bottles at once or any other essentials, pacifiers, wallets, beauty tools, even CPAP masks. Thanks to enhanced reflectivity, every surface gets hit with powerful 253.7 nanometer UVC rays, ensuring hospital-grade disinfection. Your items don't just get cleaned, they get a VIP spa treatment. No flipping, no rotating, no guesswork. Just set it, forget it, and boom, germ-free goodness. Set it and forget it, total hands-free convenience. Time is money, and who's got time to babysit a sanitizer? Not you. That's why we packed this with single-touch smart functions, Sanitize, Dry, Sanitize plus Dry, and even a 72-hour germ-free storage mode. Unlike heat-based methods that risk damaging baby bottles or electronics, our low-temp drying cycle, 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, keeps everything safe. No chemicals, no stress, just pure, effortless sterilization. So, while you sip that much-needed coffee, Babyfeel does the dirty work for you. Safe, smart, and family-approved. Your loved ones deserve the best, and we don't play when it comes to safety. The Babyfeel UV Sanitizer is BPA, phthalate, and lead-free, ensuring zero toxins near your baby's essentials. The advanced safety lock keeps UV rays inside where they belong, so it's safe to use around curious little hands. Plus, it's independently tested for effectiveness, so you're not just hoping it works, you know it does. This is the real deal, not some knockoff with weak bulbs that fizzle out in weeks. Worth every penny, because health is priceless. Think about it, how much do you spend on wipes, sprays, or replacing contaminated items? This one-time investment saves you from all that hassle. It's durable, reliable, and built to last, giving you years of effortless sanitization. Plus, it's sleek and compact, blending beautifully into any space. Your family's health is priceless, so why settle for less? Upgrade to the Babyfeel UV Sanitizer Box today and enjoy a cleaner, safer life in just minutes.